Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to download Phantom Wallet on your Android phone. To download Phantom Wallet on Android, open up your Google Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go to the search box and type in Phantom Wallet. Look for the Phantom Wallet app from Phantom Technology Inc. and tap on the install button to begin downloading the wallet on your Android phone. Wait for a couple of minutes for the application to download and install, and within a few minutes you will be able to install Phantom app on your Android phone. Once the application is installed, a shortcut will be added on your Android's home screen. Simply launch open the app, and that's how you get Phantom Wallet on Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.